All right, let's take a look at what's going on this week. So, for EDD, you guys have said that you would prefer to have several assignments open at once, and you decide how and when to get those done. And I'm okay with that, so we're going to try it this week. I have 4 things I need you to do. The first one is 5 associations. This is an individual assignment, and you can open this up and read through it, but what you're going to do is find some professional organizations that are related to your problem. So this is individual, so if you're working with a partner, we'll have 5 each for a total of 10 per the team. If you're working solo, you only need the 5. Then this is a group assignment. You are going to develop a brochure, and you can read through that assignment. I have an example for you to look at right here. And this is basically a way of you saying, hey, I'm an expert and I'm looking at this problem. It's going to be a tool for you to use to put in someone's hand when you're introducing yourself and asking them for help. So this is an assignment that you can develop together. We're going to be using Google Slides. Unless you have an alternative, please share, and I will link that below. If you have something better for making the pamphlet, the problem is we usually use Microsoft Publisher, but it's broken on your student machines. We would have that in the computer lab, but at the start of the week this week, or in the week this week, we won't have access to the computer lab, so we have to find something that works on your machines. We'll be posting a couple of lectures about concept development and solution paths and similar solutions. So be sure and watch those. Another thing you're going to do is a practice search in the U.S. Patent Office. So that's what that assignment is. This, again, is individual. And then the last thing that will start this week, if you could finish it this week, that would be awesome, because we're going to have a long break before I see you again. And if you could have this wrapped up by the end of the week, it would be brilliant. But this is a similar solutions matrix. Again, this is individual. You can develop the evaluation criteria with your partner, and it has to be justified. It can't just be you making up some stuff. You have to find someone that says this is a valid way to compare things, and that's not hard to do, but you have to do it, and that way you can have the same criteria, but you have to find independent similar solutions. 3 of them need to be commercial, 3 of them need to be patents, and if you need to do more or want to do more, you can, but each of you has to do 6, and you need to have at least 6 evaluation criteria. When I did this in training, we needed 8 to fully describe our solution. So that's what you have to do this week. If you are virtual, you will report every day what you're doing. So you'll open this assignment up for the day, and it will only be available to you for the day that it's due. And you're going to answer any of these 2 of any of these questions. So what you did today, challenges, needs, or roadblocks, plans for tomorrow, something I'm proud of, something that needs improvement. If you have other ideas or other ideas for prompts, put them in there. That's fine. I just need to get something from you that says, hey, this is what I was doing to advance my project. Something that I would ask that you do is grab the top corner of this little table when you make it and drag it about an inch from the side. What's happening is it's wrapping outside of the speed grader window because it's trying to fill up the whole window, and it's really awkward to read. So if you will squeeze it in a little bit, then that makes it easier for me to grade. So you'll do one of those every day. So that's what we're up to this week. Good luck, and let me know if you have questions. Keep an eye out for those lectures.